I just wanted to show how I typically use this 3M PPS pressure cup on my Fuji T70 gun to paint cabinets. Now, of course, you can use this pressure cup with a bottom feed gun or a gravity feed gun, but you do need different adapters. We'll talk about that in a second, but let's check out how the system works. In order to choose which add-on system is best for you, the pressure cup or the 2-quart pressure pot. This is Fuji's pressure pot system, so it's pretty portable. It's great for larger spraying jobs. If you have large banks of cabinets to spray, this is my preferred method. The limitation there is, though, your turbine unit needs to be at least a 4-stage to have enough output to run this. So the Minimite 4 or higher, the Q5 or the all-new D6 would be good turbine choices to run this pressure pot. And I'll have links to everything down in the description box, including my favorite spray guns and turbine systems if you want to do a little research yourself. So let's take a look at the details of the pressure cup. I love the fact that it maintains the use of this pressure tube, just like my factory gun. This is the Fuji T70 bottom feed gun. It also works perfectly with the T75G gravity feed gun and a number of other brands, so long as you have the right adapter. The T70 bottom feed gun needs the longer adapter. That's the S18, as in Sam 18 adapter. Whereas if you're going to run the T75G, you just need this short adapter. This is the S2C, as in Sam 2 Charlie. And that's your adapter to make the PPS system work on that gun. Either way, that adapter just engages nicely with your cup, and that'll just pull off easily. Below that, you just have this threaded fitting that comes off the top, and then you'll see your cap here, and this has an integral filter. So the nice thing here is it's kind of attached to this disposable liner. So as you pull this free, you'll see a filter membrane inside there. So that means that I don't necessarily even have to filter my paint or spray medium. This just does it automatically as it enters the gun. So the idea here is you drop that disposable liner into the plastic pressure cup, and then you add the filter cap. Snap that in place, add the trim ring, and you're just about ready to spray. Now this flexible hose actually comes with the PPS system, and it's a lot more flexible than the one that came with my Fuji gun, so I tend to prefer that quite a bit. It's easier to install and it's easier to remove. And the best part is, when you're done with your job, you get to just recover whatever paint you can and dispose of this liner and filter. These get replaced each time you spray, and the beauty of that is this cup needs virtually no cleaning at the end of the day. And replacement kits are widely available. I usually get them in a 50-pack. So if you want to save time and clean up on your next spray job, definitely go with one of these 3M PPS pressure cups with disposable liners. This has really been my go-to system for painting cabinets.